welcome back to today's video, which is all about how to make your eye makeup look stronger. If you've ever had your photographs back and wondered, where is my makeup? Why do I look like I've got none on? Then today's video is for you. This makeup will show you how to oomph up the pigment or make that makeup look a little bit stronger so it shows up really well in camera. It's great if you're going to be doing your own prom or you're going to be doing your own wedding makeup, and it's also a great way on how to transform your daytime makeup that you might be wearing for work or something like that, how to easily oomph it up for the nighttime. I'm Claire of Harry John. I've been in the industry for over 20 years and I've ran Harry John for the last 12, and I'm here to show you how you can do your own hair and makeup at home like a pro. So remember to hit subscribe because there's going to be lots more videos just like this one to help you get creative at home. Okay, so I'm just going to prep my eyes with a little bit of this Instant Eye Eraser from Maybelline. Like too dark and one that's too light, so I can mix these up. So first of all, you're going to prep your eye with a little bit of primer. So use whatever you've got at home, whatever feels easiest. This is a Real Techniques brush. I'm not even sure what it is because the writing has come off now, but I'm just going to buff that in. So I'm obviously a little bit older, I'm 42, so I don't want to wear too much because it will just emphasize lines and I want to be looking younger. But if you are like age of a prom or something like that, if you're more of a teen, younger 20s, you can obviously go a little bit more and add a bit more in for you. But for me, that is it for now. Now don't be put off because it does look like I've got headlights, but that will change. So I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from SHEIN, and this is a really great, gorgeous, bronzy palette. Also one of theirs from their brush collection. I put the links in down below so you'll be able to go and find these over there. I'm just going to start with this really light nudie colour at the bottom, going to really, really lightly. You don't want to be going too heavy, so you don't want to be putting too much pressure on. You want to be gliding this over the skin. So remember, your concealer is quite tacky, so you don't want to put in too much pressure on because that is what's going to give you patches, and we don't want patches. And then I'm just going to blend that out. So just tiny circles. I'm taking it up in the middle and I'm taking it out at the side. Do the same again and going with a little bit more. So I'm kind of going along the socket line. Now don't worry if you get it on your eyelid because we're going to be going a bit darker on there anyway for our smoke. Just repeat on the other eye. So that is our first shade, which is nice and light, and that just creates our first transition. So that takes us in a blend up to the eyebrow, up into this nice tanny colour. So we've used this one at the bottom. Now we're going to jump and put a little bit on the brush. I'm going right into the socket line. I'm rolling straight side to side, and this time I put more pressure on because I'm going right into that crease. So if you've got a hooded eye as well, this will also help you open your hooded eye and lift. So first of all, we're just going to get this transition. So we're going to blend little circles. So I'm just wiggling the brush and pushing that into the colour that we've just done before. So I'm not doing circles and taking it too high this time. I'm literally nudging. The brush is staying on my skin, but I'm moving it round. I'm not going high. I'm not kind of blending it out or anything. I'm doing this bit first, which you can do really, really fast. I sometimes just do it with my contour powder. There is another video you can see for my morning makeup, which is like just a quick 5-10 minute routine. Put that in the links below. More of that product up. I'm going to go straight over the eyelid. Now this will be nice as a nice sun-kissed daytime look, but when you want that to look a little bit more, so you want that nice bronzy colour to stand out. Oh, the brush, this is the brush that actually came in the palette. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and smudge that underneath. So just because that makes our lash line look a little bit thicker and gives the eyes a bit more definition. That would be where we would be if we were doing a daytime look, and obviously I've not got my whole face on. Maybe I should put my whole face on. I'm going to whiz the whole face on. If you want to go and put your whole face on, you can see how I do that in this video, and I'm going to come back in 2 seconds. Okay, so that is my full makeup, what I'd probably just do day to day if I was going somewhere, but then we want to make it a little bit darker. I want to go back to the concealer that we used at the beginning. Pop this onto the eyelid over the top of what we've done. So the colour pigment of your eyeshadow that you've just done will pick up on the concealer and make it that little bit darker. But then you'll have this nice creamy product, and then I'm just going to stipple the edges so we haven't got anything too harsh. Put this nice tiny one, and then I'm going to pack that over the top of what we've just done. I don't know if this is the right brush. I'm just going to switch up to this brush from MAC, and then we're just going to pack this on over the top. So if you've got some sort of like dense flat brush, because we've already done that gradient of colour before we put this on, powder, it will just act as the blend for us. It'll do all the job without us really needing to do anything. And then I'm just going to go back with our lip brush that we had before, go into the crease and just rock that from side to side to make sure that end is all blended in. What makes the eye colour pop much more. Want to see that with an eyelash? There is a link in the description and here on how to go and pop an eyelash over the top. It is absolutely the biggest game changer on how to put your lashes on. If you've ever struggled to put your lashes on, I've had Harry John now for 12 years. For the first 7 of those years, I couldn't pop my own eyelashes on. Couldn't put them on. I've got the smallest eyes. Every time I put them on, they look ridiculous. And now I've mastered it. I've got it down to a T. So if you want to see how to put eyelashes on with incredible ease, you can go and see that in this video. If you want to catch more videos just like this one, remember to hit subscribe and the bell to be notified for future videos. Give this a thumbs up if you found it useful, and remember to share with your friends as well. If you go and carry out any of these looks and recreate anything, remember to tag me in over on Instagram and let's see what you've been creating. It's #HarryJohn, HMUA. Apart from that, I will see you on the next video. Take care.